Hey ghouls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sabrina and welcome to my coven. So today's video is going to be a little Halloween haul. I went looking for some spooky shirts for the upcoming spooky season. I have a spooky package that I got in the mail and I have a tiny little Bath and Body Works haul. So if you guys want to see the stuff that I picked up, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with the spooky shirts. I went to Ross, I went to Marshall's, I went to TJ Maxx to find some spooky tees for Halloween because I've been selling some of my clothes that don't fit and I just wanted some spooky little staples in my wardrobe. So I picked up 4 shirts that I found and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. So the first one is from Marshall's. It is $7.99, which is a good deal because if you go to like Spencer's and Hot Topic and all those other stores, they're like 20 something plus, and this is only $8 for like a spooky tee. So the first one I picked up is the ghost face one. This one again from Marshall's. I got it in a men's large and it fits really well. It's so cute. I can't wait to like wear it for spooky season or even start wearing it now. I've been wanting to wear them, but I haven't been able to because I want to film this video for you guys. So yeah, this one just says ghost face. It's like really cute. And yeah, that's the first one that I picked up. Okay, so the second one is basically the same design, but just Michael Myers. So it just looks like this. Again, $7.89. It just says the Boogeyman and it has Michael Myers on it. It's so cool, and these fit me really well. I could have went with a medium, but I still like my stuff oversized, so I went with the men's large because then I could wear it with like leggings or some tights and then just dress it up. It'll be really cute. So just a basic black little cute spooky shirt. So the next 2 shirts that I'm about to show you are from Ross. So I found this one and I saw it on TikTok and I was like, that's such a cool shirt, I need to find it. So I was surprised and I was looking through the section at Ross and I came across this and I was like, yes, it's my size, so I'm gonna pick it up. This one was $8.99 and it was in the junior girl section at Ross, and it's like the old Addams Family one. It's so freaking cool. I don't really wear pink, so it does have like a little bit of pink, but it's not too bad that I won't wear it. But this is gonna be cute, tucked in. It's like some jeans, some high-waisted jeans. Just looks like this. And then the thing that I like in the back, it has all of their names on it in the back. Just looks so cool. And for like $9, and the quality is so nice and so soft, so I can't wait to start wearing this one. So this last shirt, I wasn't too sure that I was gonna get it because I was like I love Jack Skellington, but it just wasn't my vibe. But then my husband was like, you know what, just buy it. So I bought it, and then when I went home and I tried it on, this is probably like my favorite shirt the way it looks on me out of all the other shirts that I got. So this one again was $9.99, a little bit more pricier, and it was in the junior knit section at Ross. It just looks like this. It's Jack Skellington, but it's like, I don't know, it's like just art, and it's like an orange color with a blue. It just looks so cool. It's like this. And then it's kind of like a heathered gray, like distressed. Just looks so good. It fits me so well. I'm probably gonna try these on for you guys and just put like them side by side so you can see them. But yeah, this is the last shirt that I got from Ross. If you guys are looking for spooky shirts right now, go look for them because everybody is getting them. And you don't want to like miss out, and they're so reasonably priced. But yeah, so go ahead and check out your local Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshall's, Burlington, Kohl's I think has some, and get you guys some spooky tea. Okay, so the next thing is my spooky mail, and I'm so excited to finally open these so I can start using them. They've just been sitting on my counter. I've been dying to use them. Like I just opened the box, but I've not unpackaged the mugs, so I'm so excited. So this is from the Instagram Megan Mill Illustrations. I'll go ahead and link her Instagram as well as her website down below, and she created these cute little glass spooky mugs for Halloween, and they're just so beautiful. She had 4 designs. I picked up 2, one for me and one for my husband, and I got the ones that were imperfect because they're just like mugs. It's not like I need them to be like super perfect, and they were $15 each. I think the not perfect ones were like 20 or something, so I got 2 for $30, and they took a while to get here, but you know what, it's well worth it. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So you get this little Megan Mill Illustrations, her shop little card, and look at how cute this little design is. She does have a mug in this little cherry blossom ghost, and then it came with another little postcard. I love when shops do this. It's just so cute. It just says, thank you, use the code for 15% off your next order. It has her Instagram and her website down below. So again, I will link that down below for you guys. Ooh, orange wrapping. Just so spooky. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and It's packaged very, very well. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and undo the other ones so I can show you guys them at the same time, but I just got a sneak peek and they look amazing. Oh my God. These are beautiful and they're so well made. So these are the two designs that I picked up. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see them, but I'll go ahead and get close-ups. This is heavy duty and it is beautiful. Look at this. I just love how it has like the pop of orange. Just so, so gorgeous. This is adorable. I don't know which one I'm gonna keep and which one my husband's gonna keep. And this one again, just has the ghost, the cat, some pumpkins, a bat, and some stars. But they are so freaking cute. Like, look at this little set. You could have picked up a set of 4, but I just wanted 2 for me and my husband. But these are gorgeous. I think she is sold out of them, but she might be restocking. So again, check out her Instagram and her shop down below. And these are gorgeous and I can't wait to put my iced coffees in them. Okay, so moving on to Bath and Body Works. I can smell the candle and it just brings back so much memory. So I did stop by yesterday at Hobby Lobby for some candles to put in my candlesticks in my room. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys those. I got 8 of them and I got 2 different colors. So I just picked up 4 burnt orange and 4 black, and these are just gonna go on my nightstand and on my dresser. They're gonna be replaced, the green ones, with black candles. So these were $2.99 each, so I got 8 of them from Hobby Lobby. They have really good candles, and I like these candles because they're kind of like the twisted ones, so it kind of gives out a better design than just a regular candlestick normal. So I just like the little twisty effect, and they come out with a bunch of different colors. So yeah, if you're looking for some cute candles for cheap, then go ahead and check out Hobby Lobby. So I did pick up 2 of their candles, and you're gonna see like a trend. I love apple scents, so I did pick up 2 apple scented candles. This one is mahogany apple, and I love mahogany teak wood. It just smells so good, but just with a hint of apple, it just makes it a little bit more lighter. And I just love the color green. Again, I love green. So I picked this one up, and the notes are red mahogany, wood, golden, delicious apple, pink peppercorn, fresh lavender, and natural essential oils. So these are this is a scent for the mahogany apple. It kind of just smells like mahogany teak wood, to be honest, but you do get a scent of apple, and it's just gonna smell so good for like fall. Cannot wait to burn this. So this is the first candle that I picked up. The next candle, I have been searching high and low for this candle for the last couple of years. I did find a dupe at Michael's, but they don't have it anymore. But I don't know if you remember Farm Stand Apple. It was like this really pretty red color. It just smelled like juicy apples, and that was like mine and my husband's favorite scent. And they discontinued it, and they brought it back in this Honey Crisp Apple. This is the packaging. I'm not too keen on the packaging. Like, I don't like the color pink, but the apple, but the candle smells super, super good. Just brings back like those memories. I remember lighting this up in like our little room when we got married, and it just smelled so, so good. So this is Apple Pear Blossom Clove. And again, it just smells, it brings back so much memories. This is like the best smelling candle if you love apple. The scents, the notes on this one are golden, honey crisp, apple blossom, fresh sugar cane with natural essential oils. It smells amazing. If you guys buy any candle from Bath and Body Works, go ahead and get this one and you will not be disappointed. This one just smells so, so, so fresh. And again, I cannot wait to burn. And again, I just cannot wait to burn these 2 candles for fall. I might start burning them now because they smell so good. So yeah, this is what I purchased from Bath & Body Works. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, all the links of the stuff that you can purchase online will be linked down below for you guys to purchase if you want. And give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and yeah, I will see you guys next time for another video. And remember, a witch is nothing without her coven.